Hello students, let's start with the new prose, that is The Lottery Ticket by Anton Chekhov. Let us know about the author first. The Russian short story writer and playwright Anton Pavlovich Chekhov is considered to be one of the finest short story writers in the history of literature. He is one of the famous short story writers. He influenced many writers who came after him. He was an inspiration for many young and upcoming writers in his age. Chekhov first began writing only to supplement his income. First, he used to write only to earn his living. But after he met with some success, he began to experiment with his writing and thus contributed to the evolution of modern fiction and drama. Means first he used to write only for his living, but later on, as he became successful, he tried some new themes which for because of which or which he contributed to the evolution of modern fiction and drama. Chekhov was a doctor and his medical career brought him into contact with all classes of Russian society. His stories and plays show not only a concern with social issues but also a deep understanding of human nature. By the end of his life, Chekhov had become a popular playwright, but it was after his death that his fame spread far and wide. Means after his death, he became more successful because of his playwrights. Now this story. The Lottery Ticket tells us the story of a middle class couple who fantasize about winning a lottery. Now this story or this extract is mainly about a middle class couple who fantasize, or you can say in simple word, who dreams about the winning of a lottery, that if they win a lottery, then how will they you can say spend that money which they have earned through lottery. When Ivan Dimitrich and his wife realize that they may have a real chance of winning a huge amount of money, each of them dream of different ways in which they would like to spend it. Now see here, the main character, Ivan Dimitrich and his wife. Now they realize that they may have a real chance of winning a huge amount of money through lottery here. So both of them, each of them, they dream of different ways in which they would spend it. Eventually, they grow suspicious of each other's intentions. But as they were dreaming that how will they spend the money of that lottery here, afterwards what happened? They start suspecting each other of their intention. Husband feels that wife will not allow him to spend the money as he wishes, and wife feels that husband won't allow him to spend the money, won't allow her to spend the money as she wishes. So they both husband and wife start suspecting each other. Since the lottery ticket belongs to his wife, Dmitry feels that she would not allow him to enjoy the money according to his wishes. This makes him resentful and he feels triumphed when she does not win. In the story, we'll come to know that the husband knows that the lottery ticket was brought by wife and it belongs to her. So he feels that if she wins the lottery ticket, here what will happen? She won't allow him to enjoy the money according to his wishes. She won't listen to him or she won't give him the money. So this thought makes him resentful. He feels very bad and he really is very sad about it. But what happened later on, he becomes very happy when he realizes that in fact or in you can say actually the wife had not won the ticket here. Let's see the story here in detail. Ivan Dimitrich, a middle class man who lived with his family on an income of 1200 a year and was very well satisfied with his lot, sat down on the sofa after supper and began reading the newspaper. The main character here, Ivan Dimitrich, he was a middle class man. He lived with his family and he used to earn 1200 a year. He was very satisfied with his life, whatever he was earning, family life, personal life, professional life. He was very, you can say, a satisfied person here. So at during the night time when he had his supper, when he had his dinner, he just sat down on the sofa and began reading the newspaper. I forgot to look at the newspaper today, his wife said to him as she cleared the table. Now after the dinner, he just went and he sat on the sofa to read the newspaper. And why? When she saw that husband is reading the newspaper, so she said that she did not get time throughout the day to look at the newspaper, or she forgot to look at the newspaper, to read the newspaper. And she was, while she was cleaning the table at that time, she was speaking to her husband. Look and see whether the list of drawing is there. And she is telling, she is requesting her husband that please just check whether the drawing is there, list of drawing is there, means the lottery ticket numbers list is there or what in the newspaper, because she forgot to go through the newspaper today. Yes, it is, said Ivan Drimitic. Means husband is saying, yes, the list is there in the newspaper, but hasn't your ticket lapsed? Means he is trying to mock at her, he is trying to, because you can say it is not, you can say in rare case it happens that your number is there in the list here. So wife had might have bought many tickets earlier and her ticket number has lapsed. So again, yet again he is trying to mock at her wife, and he is saying that, mock at his wife, and he is saying that hasn't your ticket lapsed? No, I took the interest on Tuesday. She's saying, no, I took the interest on Tuesday. So he's saying, what is the number? So then she says the number, series 9499, number 26. Oh, so he said, all right, we will look. And he just go through. He is looking into the list for this number. Ivan Drimitic had no faith in lottery luck. Means this husband, he did not believe in this lottery luck, and would not as a rule have consented to look at the list of winning numbers. But now, as he had nothing else to do, and as the newspaper was before his eyes, he passed his finger downwards along the column of numbers. Actually, the you can say husband, he was not at all interested, or he did not believe in this lottery luck here. So he did not, you can say, is not interested to look into the list of winning numbers. But now the paper was in his hand, he had nothing to do and all. So he was just going through the list of numbers here. And immediately, as though in mockery of his skepticism, no further than the second line from the top, his eye was caught by the figure 9499. Means, and immediately, means it is not that he has gone through the entire list and all. Immediately, what happened, as doing the mockery of skepticism, means what, you try to insult someone and you try to tell, and you are yourself don't believe that this might happen here. So what happened, even just in the second line from the top, his eye was caught by the figure 9499. Means he saw this figure in the list. Unable to believe his eyes, he was not able to believe, he was really surprised to see that number in the list. He hurriedly dropped the paper on his knees. Means he was so surprised that he just dropped the paper on his knees without looking to see the number of the ticket, and just as though someone had given him a Dutch. Dutch here means spray of water, of cold water. He felt an agreeable chill in the pit of his stomach, tingling and terrible and sweet. Means he was really, he couldn't believe that this number is there in the list. And see, the expressions are given here, how you can say happy he is. Surprise mixed with happiness and all, everything. Masha, 9499 is there, he said in a hollow voice. Means he just said to his wife that this number is there. His wife looked at his astonished and panic-stricken face. Means when he said this sentence, wife just looked at her husband at his astonished, means surprised, and panic-stricken. Means she could make out that he was really panicked. He is not able to understand what to do and what to say, and realized that he was not joking. And then she knew that this man is not joking. 9499, she asked, turning the pail and dropping the folded tablecloth on the table. She was cleaning the table at that time. So when she heard this, that 9499 number is there in the list, her face also turned pale here. Means you can say her blood ran cold. She was also very surprised to hear it, and she just dropped the folded tablecloth on the table again. Yes, it really is there. Means she's saying, husband is saying, yes, this number is really there. And the number of the ticket, oh yes, there's the number of the ticket too. But stay, wait, No, I say, anyway, the number of our series is there. Anyway, you understand. Means he's saying, yes, the number of our ticket, the number, they have just seen the first four numbers here, 9499. They have not seen 26 here. So here she is, and she's asking, and the number of the ticket, it is there or what? So he's saying, oh yes. Then he's saying, okay, then there's the number of the ticket too, but stay, wait, I'll just check. Then again what happened? He does not check, and he's saying, no, I say, anyway the number is there, no? So that number will also be there. He just assumes here. Looking at his wife, Ivan Drimitage gave a broad, senseless smile like a baby when a bright object is shown it. Means when you show a bright object to a child, how you get the smile on the child's face. In the same way, when the husband sees the number in the list here, there is smile on his face. His wife smiled too. It means they both were very happy. It was as pleasant to her as to him that he only mentioned the series and did not try to find out the number of the winning ticket. Means she was also both husband and wife were happy, and they were so happy they did not bother to see the number of the ticket there. They just saw the series here. To torment and tantalize oneself. To torment and tantalize means to arouse desire or expectation of something unattainable or out of reach. Means to their surprise, it was really a rare fact. It is a rare thing that anyone's name is there in the lottery list here. So same thing, for their number is there, so they are very happy and they did not bother to see the number of the winning ticket there. Oneself with hopes of possible fortune is so sweet, so thrilling. Means they started dreaming about the future, that now our days are going to change, our life is going to change. It is our series, says Ivan Drimitage, after a long silence. So there is probability that we have won. He's saying it is our series number in the list. So it is for sure that we have won the lottery ticket here. And it's only a probability, but there it is. Means he's saying it is a rare case that it happens, but really it is our luck now that we have won the lottery ticket. Well, now look, means he's saying, wait a little. Means his wife is saying, well, just see now whether the ticket number is the same or not. Then the husband is saying, wait a little, we'll check, it will be there. Means they are so happy that they are not bothering to see whether the ticket number is same or not. We have a plenty of time to be disappointed. He's saying we'll check it out later, the number. Let us enjoy this moment now. It's on the second line from the top, so the price is 75,000. Means second line from the top, so they win 75,000. So that's not money but power capital. Means they are saying we are not just winning some amount here. We are winning a capital amount here. And in a minute I shall look at the list and there's 26. And he say, while in a minute I'll just check now whether the number is there or no, ticket number is correct or no. I'll say, what if we really have won? So then again he stops, he does not check here. See, they are about to check, but then suddenly what happens? Their happiness doesn't allow them to check, and they start dreaming here that what they will do once they win the amount here. So again he said, okay, let's wait, and then he starts thinking that what if we really have won? What will they do if they win this amount, this 75,000? The husband and wife began laughing and staring at one another in silence. The possibility of winning bewildered them. Means just the possibility that if they win the amount, this made them very happy. They could not have said, could not have dreamed what they both needed that 75,000 for. Means they were not able to tell each other, they were not able to speak up that how they have dreamt that and how they need this amount here. What they would buy, where they would go, means what will they do with this money, what will they buy with this money, where they would go for the vacation, how will they enjoy their life now. Nothing they were able to speak, they were just smiling at each other. They thought only of the figures, means they were thinking only of the figures, 9499 and that 25,000, and pictured them in their imagination, while somehow they could not think of happiness itself, which has so possible here. Means they were really they were really, you can say, on top of the world now. Ivan Armitage, holding the paper in his hand, walked several times from corner to corner, and only when he had recovered from the first impression, began dreaming a little here. Means he just took that paper in his hand and he for several times he was just walking from corner to corner of the room, and only when he recovered the first impression, means he really started thinking, dreaming now that what he will do after getting the money in his hand. And if we have won, he said, why it will be a new life? It will be a transformation. He saying, why it will be a new life? It will be a transformation, as if we are born again in this world. The ticket is yours, but if it were mine, I should first of all, of course, spend 25,000 on real property in the shape of an estate, 10,000 on immediate expenses, new furnishing, traveling, paying debts, and so on. And the other 40,000 I will put in the bank and get interest on it. Husband is saying to wife, the ticket is yours. You have purchased the ticket. You have bought the ticket. But if this ticket would be mine, what would he do? What would he do? He would spend 25,000 on real estate property in the shape of, instead he will purchase land or something like that. Then 10,000 on immediate expenses, whatever his necessary expenses are there on that, and new furnishing, he will newly furnish his house, he will travel, he will go on vacation, he will pay his debt, and so on. He will just spend this amount, and the remaining 40,000 he will put in the bank and get interest on it, and he will live his life peacefully enjoying it. Yes, an estate, that would be nice. Then wife is saying it is good idea. We can, you can say, invest our money in estate. It is a good idea. Sitting down and dropping her hands in her lap, means she just sat down, drop her hands in her lap, and somewhere in Tula or Orient provinces, means she's saying where to invest the amount, in which state. So she's saying Tula or Orient provinces will purchase land or housing, something like that. In the first place, we shouldn't need summer villa, and besides, it would always bring an income. And she's saying here, in the first place, we shouldn't need a summer villa here. Besides, it would always bring an income here. Means we can give it on rent and get an income from it. And pictures came crowding on his imagination, each more gracious and poetical than the last. Means when he started imagining here, so all those pictures came before in front of his eyes, and they were more gracious and poetic than the last. And in all these pictures, he saw himself well fed, serene, healthy, felt warm, even hot. Means he tried visualizing himself in his dream, and he used to feel that how healthy he has become, because he is now eating delicious dishes because he can afford it now. He has become very healthy, very peaceful and calming here. Means he is become very hot also. Means he's become good looking, and also he started visualizing himself in his dream. Year after eating a summer soup cold as ice, he lay on his back on the burning sand close to a stream, or in the garden under the lime tree. Means he is imagining that he has purchased an estate here. There he is enjoying his vacation, and after having his summer soup, which is as cold as ice, he lay his back on the burning sand close to the stream here, or in the garden under the lime tree. See how nicely he is imagining that he is enjoying his life. It is hot. His little boy and girl are crawling about near him. Means he is imagining that his children are also enjoying with them. Digging in the sand and catching ladybirds in the grass. Means they are digging in the sand and they are catching ladybirds. He dreams sweetly, thinking of nothing and feeling all over that he need not go to the office today. Means he is just thinking, he is dreaming, and he feels that he should not go to the office today, tomorrow and day after. There is no need for him to earn now. They have got lot of money and they can now just enjoy their enjoy their life. Or tired of lying still, he goes to a hay field. Now when he is tired of lying and enjoying, now he goes to the hay. Everything he is dreaming here, children. He goes to the hay field or to the forest for mushrooms here, or he watches the peasants catching fish with a net. And then when the sun sets, he takes a towel and a soap and saunters to the bathing shed where he undresses at his leisure, slowly rubs his bare chest with his hand and goes into the water. And in the water near the opaque soapy circles, little fish flit to and fro and green water is there. Then weeds nod their heads. After bathing, there is a tea with cream and milk rolls. In evening walk or vint with the neighbors. Vint here, it means a Russia card game. He will enjoy card game with his neighbors. See how he is dreaming to enjoy his life. Ivan Dramatic pictured to himself autumn with its rain. Now he is dreaming that in the Etsaid how he will enjoy there. Now he is dreaming about the autumn season with its rain. It's cold evening and it's St. Mary's summer, St. Martin summer, and that season he would have to take longer walks about the garden beside the river so as to get thoroughly chilled in the thoroughly chilled and then drink a big glass of vodka and eat a salted mushroom or a soused means soaked in marinade cucumber and then drink another means how he will enjoy the autumn season here. The children would come running from the kitchen garden bringing a carrot and radish smelling of fresh earth, and then he would lie stretched full length on the sofa and in leisurely fashion turn over the pages of some illustrated magazine or covering his face with it and unbuttoning his waistcoat himself up to the slumber means all thing is just imagining here, he is dreaming. The St. Martin summer is followed by cloudy and gloomy weather. It rains day and night, the bay trees weep, the wind is damp and cold. The dogs and the houses, the fowls, all are red because of this rain. Depressed and downcast, there is nowhere to walk. Everywhere, all the places is full of water, means it is wet here. One can't go out for days together. One has to pace up and down the room here. Looking there despondently at the grey window, it is dreary, means it is very, you can say, wet and it is very dreadful here. Ivan Dramatic stopped and looked at his wife. I should go abroad, you know, Masha, he said. Means he is saying that now here it is, you can say, raining a lot and he cannot move out. So he is thinking that better he goes abroad now. And he began thinking how nice it would be in the late autumn to go abroad somewhere in south of France, Italy or to India so that he has to not sit at home in the rainy season. I should certainly go abroad too. Now wife is also saying that she also want to accompany him. But look at the number of the ticket. But then again she's saying just look at the number of the ticket whether the number is 26 or not. Means they are not bothered to see the number, they are just dreaming that what they will do if they win the lottery ticket here. Then again he is not willing to look at the number, he is saying wait. He walked about the room and went on thinking. It occurred to him, what if his wife really did go abroad? Means now he went into his room and then the thought came into his mind that what will his wife do if they go abroad? If the wife goes abroad, what she will do? It is pleasant to travel alone or in the society of light, careless women who live in the present and not such as think and talk all the journey about nothing but their children, sigh and tremble with dismay over every farthing. Means he is saying that it is better to go alone here or in the society of light here, because women, what happened, they just keep about talking about children and they sigh about something, they tremble and all. So Ivan Dramatic imagined his wife in the train with multitude of parcels, baskets and bags. She would be sighing over something, means complaining that the train made her headache and that she had spent so much money, and the station he would continually be having to run for boiling water, bread and butter for her wife and children and all. So he is imagining everything that if wife is planning to go abroad, what will be the situation here? She would begrudge me every farthing. Begrudge here you can say allow unwillingly. Farthing means what? A small coin worth very little. Means the money, if he would be spending there, so she would try to tell him that why are you spending uselessly, or just spending the money and all. He thought with a glance at his wife, he look at his wife, and he is just thinking like that this lady won't enjoy there also, and she will just bother and keep on complaining that why are you spending the money. The lottery ticket is hers, not mine. Besides, what is the use of her going abroad? What does she want there? She would shut herself up in the hotel and not let me out of her sight. I know. Means he's saying the lottery ticket is hers. She has bought it. And what is the use of going her abroad? Means what is the use if she goes abroad? She will not do anything. She will not enjoy. She will just go there and she will shut herself in the hotel room. She will not allow me also to enjoy, means to the husband, and she will just ask him to sit in front of her. And for the first time in his life, his mind dwelt on the fact that his wife and had grown elderly and plain. Means and for the first time in his life, now in the starting of the lecture only I told you they were middle class couple, but they were really satisfied with their life, with his family life and with professional life and all. But because of this lottery ticket, the sudden change is seen in their relation now. This is the twist in the story here. See here, you can notice here. And for the first time in his life, his mind dwelt on the fact that his wife has grown elderly and plain. Means he realizes that wife has grown old and she is not beautiful as she used to be earlier. And that she was saturated through and through with the smell of cooking. Means she does not smell good. Always you will find that she smells cooking here, means as if she has come from the kitchen here. The smell of the vegetables, oil and all could be felt from through her. While he was still young, fresh and healthy, and might well have got married again. Means, and he's thinking, but this he himself is still young, fresh and healthy, and he really has a chance to get married again. Of course, all that is silly nonsense, he thought. But why should she go abroad? What should she make of it? Means he's saying, of course, all this thing is silly nonsense here. But why she wants to go abroad? What would she make of it? What will she do there? And yet she would go. Of course, I fancy. Means he's just imagining. If she goes abroad, in reality, it is all one to her, whether it is naps and in or clean. She would only be in my way. I should be dependent upon her. I can fancy how, like a regular woman, she will lock the money up as soon as she gets it. Means he's saying what she will do. She, in reality, she won't go very far. She'll go to Naples or clean, or then she will not do anything. She will you can say no, she will not give me the money. Husband thinks that when she gets the money in her hand, she will not give the money to husband here. And like a regular woman, a middle class woman, what she will do, she'll lock the money here in her locker here, and she will not allow husband to use that money. And she will hide it from me, means she will hide it from husband. She will look after her relations and grudge me every farthing. Means she will look after her, means she will spend that money on her relatives, and she will grudge the husband for every farthing. Means if he spends also you can say any farthing, means any coin from that amount, she will try to complain him that you are just spending it uselessly. Ivan Armitage thought of her relations. Means he started thinking about her relatives. All those wretched brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles would come crawling about as soon as they heard of the winning of the ticket. Now he thinks about her relatives, that how her brothers and sisters, uncles and aunt, they will just come running to her when they come to know that she has won the ticket. And they would begin winning like beggars and frowning upon them with oily hypocritical smile. Means they will just try to beg to her, request her to help her with the money and fawning to try to gain favor by flattering her and by upon them with oily hypocritical smile, means they make smile, making her feel that they are really her true brother, sister, or uncle or aunt. But actually, they have their own you can say interest in getting the money from her. Wretched, detestable people, if they were given anything, they would ask for more, while if they were refused, they would swear at them, slander them, and wish them every kind of misfortune. Means he's thinking here that they are so wretched, they are so bad people here, that if they are given something by my wife, what they will ask for more, and if they are not given anything, if my wife doesn't give them anything, if she does not help them, what they will just use abusive language for her, then they will try to speak any bad thing, bad thing for her, or wish any misfortune for her. Ivan Dramatich remembered his own relations and their faces at which he looked impartially in the past, struck him now as repulsive and hateful here. They are such reptiles, he thought. Means he is thinking about his own relations also, and he really looked impartially in the past at them, and now he really feels that he does not like them also. And as and his wife's face too struck him as repulsive and hateful. Anger surged up in his heart against her, and he thought malignantly, she knows nothing about money, and so she is stingy. If she won it, she would give me 100 rubles and put the rest away under lock and key. Now he does not like her relatives. He does not like his relatives, and he is also thinking bad about his wife. He is thinking that this lady has no knowledge, and she doesn't know how to spend the money, what to do with the lottery money, and she is a very stingy woman here, and she won't do anything with the money. She won't allow me to also spend the money for some good purpose. She will just give him 100 rubles and put all the rest of the money in the lock and key. And look at his wife, and he looked at his wife, not with a smile now, but with hatred. And this feeling or this thought in his mind has changed his feeling for his wife now. He started looking at his wife with not with a smile, but with hatred now. She glanced at him too, means she is also looking at her husband, also with hatred and anger here, sorry. Means here she also was having the same feeling what the husband had for 5 years. Means they started looking at each other with hatred here. Their relationship has now changed here. They started suspecting each other here. She had her own daydreams. How the husband was dreaming, in the same way the wife was also dreaming. She had her own plans, her own reflections. She understood perfectly well what her husband's dream were. Means she now knows what her husband wishes, what he wants to do with the lottery money here. She knew who would be the first to try and grab her winning. Means she knew that once she gets the money, her husband will be the first person to try to get the money from her. It's very nice making daydreams at other people's expense, is what her eyes expressed. No doubt you dare. No doubt, no, don't you dare. Means she is from her expressions also. Husband can feel what her wife wants to say, and it was like as if she is saying that it is my money and you are daydreaming that what you will do with that money here. And she wants, as if she wants to tell that don't you dare to spend my money. Her husband understood her look. Hatred began stirring again in his breast, and in order to annoy his wife, he glanced quickly. Means her husband understood what his wife wants to tell her, and he became more angry with his wife, and he just glanced quickly to spite her at the 4th page of the newspaper and read out triumphantly. Means to spite her means he just went out to make her sure whether she has won the money or not, to tell her what is the fact. He just gone through the 4th page of the newspaper, and he very happily, as if he has won something, he said series 9499 number 46. Means It is not 26. The number which the wife had on her ticket was 26. So he became very happy now. Now because why he became happy? Because he thought as it is, wife is not going to give her anything. She is not going to allow him to spend the money. She is not going to listen to him, and her feelings to him has also changed. So he became very happy that wife has not won the money. So here hatred and hope both disappeared once. Means both hatred and hope. Hope of winning the money and doing whatever they daydream, and hatred means the hatred was mainly because of this lottery ticket. Means they felt that both started suspecting each other here, that once they get the money, this person will not allow me to do this and wife will not allow me to do that and all. So they started hating each other, and the hope of what they will do with that money, both everything disappeared at once, because they realized the number is not 26 but 46. And it began immediately to seem to Ivan Armitage and his wife that their rooms were dark and small and low pitched, and their supper they had been eating was not doing them good, but lying heavy on their stomachs, that the evenings were long and wearisome. Means what happened suddenly? First they were really very satisfied with their life, but later on, as they started dreaming about their luxurious life here, now suddenly when the dream, they have come out of their daydream and they have realized the fact here, what happened? They have become very sad, and suddenly they realize that their rooms are very dark, small and low pitched one now, and the supper which they had was not a good one, and it is not good for their health also. It has become heavy on their stomach, and their evenings become very long and wearisome. Means they did not like, they lacked interest in that. They were not able to enjoy anything or any more thing in their life. So here students, we have seen a very, you can say, interesting story of how money can, you can say, change the, you can say, very stable loving relationships here. Here we have seen a middle class couple that they assume that they have won the lottery and begin to later on suspect each other, that how they will not allow each other to enjoy the money and all. So in the few minutes what happened, they suspect change into despise, and they start hating each other, and this what happened, the beautiful couple, their relationship is spoiled because of just money here. So here we can come to the conclusion what happened, that they were just counting their chickens before they are hatched. So it is really, you can say, a sad end to the story here, which makes us understand that money changes the good relationship into enmity also. I hope you have understood the pros here. Go through the video lecture again and try to understand the question answers given below it. Thank you.